Believe it or not, Martha Stewart, the domestic goddess, is 82 years old. But if you've seen her recently, you'd swear she was still in her 40s. That's right, the queen of all things home and lifestyle. The epitome of grace and elegance, Martha Stewart is a stunning octogenarian, defying age with her youthful appearance. She's been a household name for decades, yet she seems to have discovered the fountain of youth. Her skin flawless, her energy infectious, her charisma ageless. She's in the autumn of her life, yet she radiates the vibrancy of spring. Martha Stewart is 82, but she could pass for a woman half her age. The numbers simply don't add up when you look at her. Martha's age seems nothing but a mere number, and it's not just about her appearance. She's still as active and involved in her career as ever. From running her multi-million-dollar business, writing best-selling books, hosting TV shows, to managing her digital platforms, she's doing it all with the same zest and zeal she had decades ago. Her career began in the early 70s, and here we are, more than half a century later, and she's still at the top of her game. She's not just surviving in her industry, she's thriving. She's not just growing old, she's growing bold. And it's not just about her business acumen or her culinary skills. It's about her unwavering spirit, her evergreen charm, her timeless beauty. Yes, Martha Stewart is 82 and fabulous. She's a living testament that age is just a number. She's a beacon of hope for every woman who fears aging. She's a reminder that age doesn't define us. We define age. So, what's Martha Stewart's secret to looking so young? Let's delve into her life to find out. Martha Stewart wasn't born successful. Her journey to becoming a household name was filled with hard work and perseverance. Born in Jersey City, New Jersey, Martha's humble beginnings were a far cry from the glitz and glamour we associate with her today. From a young age, she displayed an entrepreneurial spirit, modeling to pay her way through college. Martha's journey took her through a myriad of careers. From being a stockbroker on Wall Street to becoming a caterer, she embraced each experience with an unyielding spirit. It was this spirit that led her to launch Martha Stewart Living Omnimedia, a multifaceted company encompassing broadcasting, merchandising, and publishing. This venture not only showcased Martha's business acumen, but also her creative genius. Martha's talents extended beyond the boardroom to the small screen. As a television personality, she won the hearts of millions with her charisma and expertise. Her TV shows such as Martha Stewart Living and Martha were lauded by critics and audiences alike, earning her multiple Emmy Awards. Martha's knack for making the ordinary extraordinary resonated with viewers, transforming her into an icon of homemaking and lifestyle. But Martha's accomplishments didn't stop there. With a flair for writing, she authored numerous books that became bestsellers. From cookbooks to home decorating guides, Martha's books provided practical advice and inspiration to many. They stand as a testament to her versatility and drive. Yet Martha's journey wasn't without its fair share of challenges. From legal battles to personal hardships, she faced many trials. But through it all, she remained resilient and persistent, embodying the true spirit of a self-made woman. Despite the ups and downs, Martha has always maintained her charm and youthful glow. But how does she do it? Martha Stewart is not just about business and success. She's also about living a healthy and balanced lifestyle. A lifestyle that, in many ways, is a testament to her youthful appearance and robust energy, even in her 80s. Martha is a big proponent of a balanced diet. She doesn't believe in fad diets or quick fixes. Instead, she focuses on wholesome, nutritious foods that nourish her body and keep her energized. From farm-fresh eggs for breakfast to a hearty salad for lunch, she makes sure that every meal she consumes is packed with vitamins and nutrients. One of the secrets to her healthy eating habits is her love for gardening. She grows her own fruits and vegetables in her backyard. The joy of nurturing a plant from seed to fruit is something she finds immensely rewarding. This not only ensures that she has the freshest produce at her disposal, but also allows her to connect with nature, which she finds incredibly therapeutic. Exercise, too, forms a crucial part of Martha's lifestyle. She's a firm believer in the power of regular physical activity and its impact on maintaining a youthful appearance. Yoga and Pilates are her preferred modes of exercise. These disciplines not only help her stay fit, but also promote flexibility, improve posture, and contribute to a sense of inner peace. A few minutes of yoga or Pilates each day is a non-negotiable part of her routine. Lastly, Martha never compromises on her sleep. She understands the importance of a good night's rest in rejuvenating the body and mind. A well-rested person is a happy person, and a happy person radiates positivity and youthfulness. Martha's lifestyle undoubtedly contributes to her youthful appearance, but there's more to it. The Stewart lifestyle is not just about looking young, it's about feeling young. It's about embracing each day with enthusiasm, about cultivating a sense of purpose, and about making every moment count. It's about aging gracefully, and most importantly, it's about living life to the fullest. And that is perhaps the biggest secret to Martha's ageless charm. Martha Stewart's beauty regimen is as meticulous as her recipes. She believes in the power of skincare and does not take it lightly. Just as you would expect from a woman as detail-oriented as Martha, her skincare routine is nothing short of comprehensive. Martha is a firm believer in using high-quality skincare products, and she spares no expense when it comes to her skin. She knows that quality ingredients can make all the difference, and she's not afraid to invest in the best. But it's not just about the products she uses. Martha also emphasizes the importance of regular facials. For her, facials are not just a luxury, but a necessity. She understands that our skin needs some extra help from time to time to stay healthy and glowing, and she's not one to deny her skin what it needs. Martha is also a stickler about one golden rule of skincare: never going to bed with makeup on. She understands that leaving makeup on overnight can lead to clogged pores and premature aging, two things she's keen to avoid. So no matter how tired she might be, she always takes the time to thoroughly cleanse her skin before bed. Hydration is another key element of Martha's beauty regimen. She believes that drinking plenty of water is vital for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. And it's not just about drinking water. Martha also makes sure to keep her skin hydrated externally, using moisturizers and serums that lock in moisture and keep her skin supple and radiant. Martha's approach to beauty is holistic. She knows that what you put into your body is just as important as what you put on it. So she maintains a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and she never skips her morning green juice.